Marine life thrives in this underwater world, where nature has reclaimed its territory over many forgotten years.
The distinctive tail rotor confirms it. A military transport helicopter rests here, lost to time and tide. Suddenly, something massive emerges from the gloom, a metal giant sleeping on the ocean floor below.
Professional salvage divers prepare for a routine survey mission, unaware they're about to find something incredible today.
The team descends into the unknown, their powerful lights cutting through murky water like beacons of hope. 200 feet beneath the surface, where sunlight barely reaches, an extraordinary discovery awaits in the silent abyss. Decades of salt water have transformed the aircraft into a rusted relic, nature's patient work clearly visible. It's a CH-53 Sea Stallion, one of the world's largest helicopters, mysteriously resting perfectly upright. Massive rotor blades, once spinning powerfully through skies, now frozen forever in their ocean grave below. The cockpit windows reveal nothing but darkness and decay, keeping the helicopter's final secrets locked inside. Every angle is documented carefully, capturing the haunting beauty of this underwater time capsule today.
The cargo bay has become an artificial reef, sheltering marine life in its rusted embrace peacefully.
Precise measurements are crucial for the recovery mission, every dimension carefully recorded for planning the lift.
Serial numbers emerge from beneath marine growth, offering clues to this aircraft's identity and mysterious history. Complete video documentation ensures engineers topside can assess every detail before attempting any recovery operation today.
The landing gear appears surprisingly intact, suggesting this helicopter might survive the dangerous journey back up.
Faded military markings hint at the helicopter's service history, a warrior's rest in the deep.
Breaking the surface, the team shares their incredible find, knowing this discovery will require serious resources.
Orange buoys mark the precise position, creating a visual target for the approaching heavy-lift aircraft above.
Every barnacle and rust flake is cleared from connection points, where metal must grip metal securely.
At a nearby airbase, a powerful sky crane variant prepares for this unique mission of mercy.
The salvage captain immediately recognizes this recovery's complexity, requiring specialized equipment and expert coordination throughout.
Back below, the dive team prepares attachment points, working against time and diminishing air supplies carefully. Hours of planning begin immediately, every team member contributing expertise to ensure a safe, successful recovery.
With everything secured properly, the dive team signals readiness, their dangerous underwater work finally completed today.
Primary lift points are secured at load-bearing structures, where decades of rust haven't weakened critical areas.
Structural engineers calculate weight, buoyancy, and lift capacity needed to raise this massive corroded aircraft safely.
The ocean floor releases its grip reluctantly, sand swirling as the aircraft stirs after decades of stillness.
Mission requirements necessitate immediate heavy lift support. The extraction point is hot. We need a CH-53 inbound now.
Only one aircraft.
20,000 pounds of lift capacity will be tested today, with specialized rigging designed for ocean salvage.
Redundant safety lines ensure catastrophic failure won't send this precious cargo back to the depths again. Inflatable lift bags provide additional buoyancy, reducing strain on cables during the delicate ascent operation ahead.
The flight crew studies every detail, understanding that precision, hovering over water, means everything here today.
The thunder of powerful rotors announces arrival, as one CH-53 comes to rescue another from below. All elements converge at this precise point, where sky meets sea, and an extraordinary recovery begins now.
The signal everyone awaits. All connections secure, load tested, and ready for the lift attempt to begin immediately.
Hand signals and radio calls coordinate the dangerous dance, where timing and communication mean absolute everything.
Below the surface, underwater specialists complete the final connection,
linking both helicopters together across 200 feet.
Surface team captures the hovering helicopter's lift cables, forming the critical connection between aircraft and deep.
The pilot's skill shines now, maintaining rock-steady hover against ocean winds pushing constantly from all sides. The ocean's coating peels away during ascent, decades of growth surrendering to gravity's relentless pull downward. Rotor blades pierce the surface first, returning to air after years in darkness below the waves. Throttles advance carefully, massive turbine engines building power gradually to avoid sudden shocks through weakened metal.
Historic footage captures this moment, technology recovering technology, as marine life scatters from their long-time artificial home.
200 feet below, cables tighten like guitar strings, every strand of steel taking strain evenly. Inch by precious inch, the rusted giant rises, shedding ocean floor debris like a sleeping dragon awakening. The ocean floor surrenders its prize, decades of settled sand swirling as the aircraft breaks free.
Steel cables sing under tension, engineered for this exact purpose, holding firm against 20,000 pounds.
Every foot of cable is inspected visually as it appears, ready to abort if weakness shows.
The cockpit rises into sunlight, empty windows staring like hollow eyes, witnesses to untold past stories. The shadow of this unlikely pair moves across endless ocean, heading toward land and rebirth ahead.
Instruments show systems at their limits, but within tolerances, as the pilot manages power with expert precision.
The flight home begins, one helicopter carrying another, brothers united across time in remarkable aerial rescue.
Maximum power sustained, the rescue helicopter's engines scream, giving everything to save its fallen mechanical brother below.
Fully airborne now, the rusted relic hangs suspended between sea and sky, beginning its journey home.
Load stability is critical now. Any excessive swing could spell disaster for this delicate aerial recovery.
What a sight. Pristine machine rescuing its degraded twin, showing the difference between service and abandonment clearly.
Every maneuver is calculated precisely, smoothness prioritized over speed, protecting the fragile cargo swinging beneath.
On the surface, the team celebrates this crucial milestone, their dangerous underwater work validated by success.
Land approaches after miles of open water, where a specialized restoration facility awaits this unique delivery today.
Ground teams mobilize, ready to receive this extraordinary cargo, their expertise about to face unique challenges ahead.
A specialized landing pad awaits, engineered to receive heavy corroded loads without damage to fragile structures.
Adjusting lateral position now.
Precision matters even more now, as the aircraft must be placed exactly right for safe disconnection.
Careful descent begins, ground crew ready to stabilize the load, and the instant landing gear contacts the surface.
Touchdown achieved perfectly, decades after this helicopter's last landing, now beginning its final journey toward restoration glory.
Weight transfers from cables to Earth, years of ocean pressure finally relieved as the aircraft rests solid.
Disconnection procedures follow precise protocol, every connection point inspected before release from hovering aircraft above safely. Disconnection procedures follow precise protocol, every connection point inspected before release from hovering aircraft above safely. Mission hardware returns home, cables that held firm throughout, earning respect from every person watching today. Gentle cleaning preserves underlying metal, removing ocean's embrace without causing further damage to weakened surfaces today.
The interior reveals nature's complete takeover, where control panels and cargo space became ocean floor habitat.
Now the real work begins, as restoration experts assess decades of damage before bringing aircraft back.
Revealing how ocean claimed this machine inch by inch, year by year.
Documentation preserves history, showing future generations exactly how this helicopter appeared after ocean decades below.
Every component is cataloged and assessed, determining what can be saved versus what required complete replacement.
Heavy equipment mobilizes for the next phase, moving this precious cargo into controlled restoration environment indoors.
Inside these walls, decades of damage will be methodically reversed through patient, skilled craftsmanship ahead. Custom stands provide perfect access, letting craftsmen reach every corroded surface during the months of work ahead.
This assembly follows engineering blueprints exactly, ensuring reassembly will restore the helicopter to original specifications perfectly.
Expert welders rebuild structural integrity, their skilled hands ensuring this helicopter will fly safely again someday.
Modern technology strips away time's damage, revealing strong metal that survived ocean's attempt to claim it.
Advanced protective coatings seal metal completely. Modern chemistry defeating corrosion that plagued the original paint decades ago.
Engine revival requires patience and expertise, breathing mechanical life back into turbines silenced by saltwater years ago.
21st century avionics will replace destroyed systems, upgrading technology while maintaining authentic appearance and outside completely.
Hydraulic resurrection brings movement potential back, preparing flight controls for eventual testing and certification ahead.
New engines bring modern reliability, while external appearance maintains historical authenticity throughout the restoration process completely. Landing gear receives complete overhaul, ready to support 20 tons again upon touchdown after flight restoration.
The interior transforms from corroded wreckage into pristine workspace, ready for future missions under clear, bright skies.
Crystal clear windows restore pilot visibility, replacing murky panels that witnessed the aircraft's ocean descent years ago. Blade balance is critical for safety. Precision measuring, ensuring smooth rotation at hundreds of revolutions per minute.
Original colors return, applied with care and precision, honoring the helicopter's service history and military heritage.
Quality control ensures nothing was missed, every system tested, every connection verified before flight certification begins.
Months of dedication culminate in this moment, a helicopter reborn from ocean's grasp through human skill and persistence.
The moment of truth approaches as a test pilot prepares to wake engines silent for decades.
Turbines roar to life perfectly, rotors spinning powerfully, proving restoration returned this machine to perfect health.
First flight achieved beautifully, this once rusted ocean relic now dancing gracefully through the sky where it belongs truly.
Every maneuver proves restoration success completely, this helicopter ready for decades more service under open skies.
From ocean depths to soaring flight, this helicopter's journey proves nothing is truly lost when dedication